Are you excited? Measure siya sa height. Naratol ka manoy. Excited? Nang nag-staying. Are you excited? Digong, are you excited? Show me your hand. Yippee! Digong, yippee! Okay, sige. Saman. Okay. Which one you wanna ride first?
And right before you are riding off.
Yay! Bye! Bye, Digong! See you later! Mom. Bye! Digong! Digong! Ito nga, anak. Okay pa mo ma? Sa lang, Anli? ang digong? 480. Ano ha? 600. No? Yes. Gamay ra kay grinds. What is that?
Yummy popcorn.
Yummy popcorn?
Look. Yummy popcorn.
Yummy popcorn. Yay!
Yummy. Yummy popcorn. Yummy popcorn.
Yummy popcorn. Nang lang hold oh. Eat popcorn. Oh, I'm sorry. Come here. Oh, eat popcorn. Oh no! Throw it, throw it, throw. Throw it. Good job. Throw it. Good job. Throw. Throw it there. Hello mga ka-winner. I'm sorry I haven't been talking sa akong mga clips. It's because all the time we were wearing our masks. And update, almost every ride we've already went to here. But the problem is some of the rides like the roller coaster and Kato, I don't know what's it called. Digong is not allowed. So he's super sad because he really wants to. Actually, Digong is super fearless. Ganahan siya atong mga extreme na rides. But bawal pa man siyang height. So, in the meantime, we are enjoying the carousel. Digong! Ay, wako gitagad. Hello! Good job! And, advice lang, if you are here, tip lang, your only rides is actually, it's a bit pricey there is Anjo World, but the problem is most naay mga rides like the boomerang, I think it's closed. Also the bumper cars, it's closed. So mao to siya, heads up lang if you are coming here. We're going out to eat, but there's a restaurant here, but we prefer outside kay murag lami ilang food sa gawas. We're here. Ang exit niya is a souvenir shop. So if you want anything here. Ma, what's this? Glow. Unsa ni? Unsa ni? Mo glow in the dark ni?
Come here, Digong. Wait. Digong first. Come here.
Digang wait. Naay? Unsa man? Sinsiyo? Imong paliton ang water gun? What?
It's Moon.
Moon. Bye-bye. Give na bye-bye, Anjo World. Tanaw ni mo nalingaw si Digong ma.
Oh, school bus. Oh, school bus. Yes, it's a school bus.
Are you happy? What?
It's too light.
Hello, I'm here. Ay namin diri sa food court. And Digong is having his fries. I'm still about to order pero si Mama nag-order mga ano niya? Mga fruity. Because I just bought something for a project. Naka-aircon. I'm about to eat na. So if you are used to authentic shawarma sa Middle East, ako naanad man siya kung authentic shawarma nga kanang kibaba mo ang authentic na shawarma na ay french fries, na ay pickles, and this is the closest shawarma nga ako natilawan dito sa Middle East. Layo ra siya sa katong mga instant na mga shawarma diri sa Philippines ba. So, ang owner man gud ani kay Lebanese. So, iya yung gi-bring ang ingredients. Maong pricey sad siya mga ka-winner kay 110. Diba niya, ang mga regular na shawarma here is 65. Now na siya.
Tingnan mo siya. Hindi mataga. Mamaya mo. Be careful. Oh, don't do that. It's yucky, the table. Oh, no. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
One more. Sage, look here. Hello mga ka-winner. Hello mga ka-winner. Take 2. Sage. So, we already finished sa kuan, Anjo World. And then we had dinner. And then, wala, we're going home now. Did you have fun? Tanaw ni muna niyo
Are you
siya.
happy?
Are you happy?
Say yes, I'm happy.
Yes, happy.
Okay, that's good.
That's
Good job,
good.
Digong.
Because today is Digong's day. No? Kaya he's been...
First time na nga nakagawas pa in public.
Yeah, because kuan man sad good. And Digong man good, he cannot be kept long jud sa balay. Because even though naka-lockdown, katugong ECQ pa, di ba mapaningkamutan jud na kuyugon siya sa cementerio or sa kanang, at least man lang sa subdivision mo ato siya sa clubhouse because Digong's personality man good, he needs like a new scenery sa dili siya always kept inside the house. That's why. Are you happy? Smile, be? Wow!
Good job.
Good job.
Say good job.
Good job.
Okay, say amazing.
Amazing.
Say amazing again.
Amazing. Yes.
Show them amazing.
Amazing.
Okay.
Ganahan pa jud ta ni siya mo adto sa mga extreme mano, ganahan siya ta roller coaster og kato bitong katong mag-anaan na nga murag octopus something, but not allowed pa man siya. So mo to, let's go home na mga ka-winner.
Maybe next year. 2 parang ng kapin na ko. 2 ka centimeter.
Inches.
2 inches.
2 inches. So gamay na lang. Oh, bisag 1 month ra feeling na ako next no ma-achieve na niya. So let's go home mga ka-winner.